I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
We're Lina and Dan, and since January 2019, we've been traveling around the world. If you like to follow our adventures, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll never miss an episode.
Get you out of my head.
Welcome to Copenhagen. You cannot come to Copenhagen without riding the Lime bikes.
It's gonna be fun. We're going to demonstrate how good we are.
We are heading now to Rosenborg Castle, so we are gonna be riding our Lime bike. We're gonna park our scooters and we're walking to the Rosenborg Castle.
In this street is not allowed to ride the bikes. That's why we parked on the beginning of the street. Our first experience riding the Lime bike was absolutely amazing.
Awesome.
Seriously, it was awesome. So 2 bikes for 30 minutes. It cost us about $24.
That was a very fast transportation for us to get to the castle. The only thing was just we had to stop many times to check our GPS and of course take photos. It was great experience.
Behind us is the Rosenborg Castle, and here is the rose garden of the castle. Many of you know that Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark, but I don't think many of us know that its residents have been ranked as the happiest people in the world. That's absolutely shocked me. Have you noticed that on the streets, by the way?
Yeah, you can see when we're walking in the streets that they're smiling, they look happy.
It's like they don't have that kind of prejudice that I've seen in other places. You know, it's like they're like carefree. I'm not saying that this is the paradise on earth. You're never gonna find paradise on earth. That's another false theory.
much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. I never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. All these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. I never care for what to say. I never cared for games I play.
So this is the writing room for Christian Ford, and this is his desk. It's just amazingly beautiful, and it's all gold.
1648. Christian IV died in this room. You can see his clothes stained with his blood. During one of the battles, he lost his eye.
This is probably his bathroom, because I see the toilet. So we are entering the dark room. Yes, it is really dark. And this is his chair. I don't know if you can see it because it's really dark. What did he do in the dark room? Looks like a creepy room. What did he do in this room? This is the marble chamber. Everything is made of marble. I like his couch though. It's very beautiful. He was very good in chess. This room is called the Great Hall. A lot of parties here.
Now we're going to the basement of the castle. In the basement of the castle you can see weapons, armor, and something very interesting, wine barrels.
He knew how to party, right? Wow, this is so beautiful. Look how many pearls.
And now we're entering in the treasury, guys. Get ready. I'm sure that this sword is worth millions.
A tafel cut diamond. Tafel means flat is the table, so it's not so much light going in, so it look very brilliant. So some people say it's fake diamonds because they don't shine so much.
Oh, okay.
But it's because they could not cut them as you do today.
Right.
So there's different ways to cut them through time.
Right.
So some is very boring to look at, and some is like today, wow.
The crown is made of pearls, gold and diamonds, and is priceless.
Every day, every night, I'll be closing my eyes for you. Oh yeah.
We came to a sushi place tonight. So it's going to be all you can eat sushi.
We actually known as sushi eaters.
We love sushi.
As the time goes by, I am getting closer to the one thing
This is the longest sushi roll that we ever ordered.
dream